What's up, everybody? Good luck. Prism 1 bird, break 30-30 dice roll. We're going 5 times. Teams first. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 here, 5 here. Bucks up top. Browns at the bottom. 5 times now on your names. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 here. 5 here, Tom Hall up top, Richard Tiny at the bottom. Let's sort them out. There's your squads. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. And 1 box of Panini 1. And good luck. Make for a pretty big sweat here. Let's sweat it out. For the Saints, going to Brandon Martin, Chris Olave, 3 out of 5. Look at that patch. 3 out of 5 Olave for Brandon Martin. That's a banger. Three out of 5. Hell of a hit there, Brandon. Again, the fastest recap I think we've ever had. Olave, 3 out of 5 for Brandon Martin. That's the break, guys. That's the break. Thanks for the fill.